Good morning, students. We are talking about another concept called as incomplete dominance. What does the word incomplete says? It's like partial dominance. The dominant gene is not completely dominant over recessive gene. Dominant gene has allowed recessive gene also to function its product. Correct? A dominant gene should completely make the dominance of the recessive gene, as seen in the tall and dwarf. F1 was absolutely dominant. Because of that, F1 got tall. Case is here where the dominant gene is not a completely dominant. It is allowing the recessive gene also to make the product. Say this is a F1 condition heterozygous. Both of the genes have come from their respective parents. This was for capital R and this was for small r. Capital R has made the product called enzyme. Enzyme is a protein. We know that. It is here production of an enzyme. Tertiary structure of protein is enzyme only. Quaternary structure is absolutely a protein. Primary structure, secondary structure, tertiary structure is enzyme. PUC1 biomolecules, correct? Yes. What does the enzyme do? Means enzyme is going to act on a substrate. You know this. Enzyme act on substrate, and ultimately enzyme will release the products. From the knowledge of PUC1, you will certainly release the product. So this product is the character which is being controlled in our body. This product only, the product only makes our character. Gene has taken all the responsibility to make a functional enzyme, and the enzyme is going to bind to a substrate. Enzyme, this is enzyme. This is enzyme. It acts on the substrate and enzyme releases the product. Internally some breaking of bond, adding of bond. Okay, you know that. PUC1, classification of enzymes. Adding or breaking the bond, changing the molecular structure, isomerase, hydrolysis, etc. Now, this is the product which is actually enzyme is supposed to produce. If this is also allowed to do certain things, then only the mistake has happened. So why did this also produce? Means this has gene. This gene is because of certain mutations. This is the original gene which is unmodified. This is a modified gene, a recessive gene, mutant gene. We are also allowed to make certain product. That will be explained. Once again I will come. Now the whole concept of incomplete dominance shall be completed in today's class. On that this shall be the up to here will be our coming up test portions. If you ask to get the meaning of incomplete dominance, a dominant gene fails to express. Dominant gene fails to express completely. Dominant gene has failed to express completely or expresses partially. Correct? Or has expressed partially. Little. When the recessive gene brackets modified. See, a dominant gene fails to express completely, or if you don't want to write fail to express completely, a dominant gene expresses partially, wherein the recessive gene or modified gene, will also express. The modified gene, recessive gene will also express. This leads to blending of characters. This is the meaning of incomplete dominance. Dominant gene partially expressive हो गया. Reason, not completely dominant. Okay, a dominant gene fails to express completely, not completely dominant. Or allowed to express partially, has expressed partially, making the recessive gene also to express. So this is leading to blending of a character. This is the meaning of incomplete dominance. Well, there is no such definition in your book, but what does incomplete dominance mean? बाद में explanation है जो which I was stating here. You make a functional enzyme and enzyme will convert a substrate into product. Enzyme will convert substrate into product. That concept is there. This is the meaning of this incomplete dominance. Now, this was studied by the person last class already you said it was Karl Correns. It was Karl Correns who discovered this. Therefore, it doesn't coincide with the Mendel. This concept doesn't coincide with the Mendel. ये Mendel का concept में नहीं जमता. ये अलग है. So we call it as non-Mendelian genetics. Non-Mendelian genetics, or exception to Mendelian genetics, no matter. Now, this was discovered in the plant while working in his garden, known as Antirrhinum majus. Antirrhinum species, as quoted in your text, Antirrhinum species, known as snapdragon. Known as snapdragon or dogflower, correct? Is also given in certain books. Other than this, one more example is also usually quoted. This is even noticed. So I will just make the extra parts. Certain extra part you should know that. So this extra can be even seen in Mirabilis jalapa. Mirabilis jalapa. Commonly, Mirabilis, or this is known as commonly 4 o'clock plant, Sanjay Mani. 4 o'clock plant. The flowers bloom in the exactly evening, dusk. Sorry, dawn. 4 o'clock plant, evening, dawn. It can be even seen in the fowls, which Muriya. How it is means, black color flower, black fowl into white fowl, black fowl into white fowl. Antirrhinum majus, red flower into white flower. Mirabilis also similar kind. Fowl मुर्गिया में काली मुर्गी, गोरा सफेद मुर्गा, white fowl. He has given blue colored fowl. Say, why? How does this happen? Big question mark. Actually, white into black should be grey, but it is given blue. Such fowls are called Andalusian fowls. Andalusian fowl. Yes. आज बहुत टाइम लेके सुकून से बता रहे हैं. The meaning of incomplete dominance. Here are various examples. NCERT has quoted only one. We'll start with incomplete dominance, later explanation to incomplete dominance. Okay? Antirrhinum species, Mirabilis jalapa, black fowl into white flower, you will get a blue foliage spotted. Thus, certain examples are there surrounding us. Few examples are on the board which show incomplete dominance. Now, inheritance pattern followed by explanation. starts. You said it is parents, homozygous dominant, red flower, homozygous recessive white flower. अरे यार यही पिंक आ गया. Okay, anti-renema majas. Phenotype is red. Genotype should be, because homozygous dominant, red, capital R. Into already phenotype is written white. Genotype, yes. Oh, smaller and smaller. Every individual for a character has two alleles, two genes. Whether they are same or different doesn't matter. Every individual for a character has two genes. Correct? Done. Now, gametes. What is the wait? Capital R. Here it is. If you split, both are same only, so I just took one. This will make all the gametes as capital R only. That will make all the gametes as small r only. Just one is enough. Homozygous will make only one type of gamete. Taking F1 hybrid, capital R small r. So this is heterozygous pink. To his surprise, it was really heterozygous pink then. Done. We got this flower making heterozygous pink. So red into white pink. I know this is not red, it's blue. Please, it is red. There is no color choice for red, so I am writing this. Red into white is pink. Now next, F1 into F1, pink into pink, capital R small r into capital R small r. लिख लेना था, capital R small r into gamete is capital R and small r. We'll go straight. Yes. So now this is capital R, small r, capital R small is capital letters first, please. Last. Both phenotypic ratio and genotypic ratio has come up to 1:2:1, 1:2:1 only. Phenotypic ratio means रेड व्हाइट पिंक दिखने में, अंदर नेक्स्ट जब जीन्स देखते तो तब वो रेशियो क्या होगा? नेक्स्ट जीनोटाइपिक रेशियो. फर्स्ट इज ऑलवेज phenotypic. You cannot write genotype first and phenotype. Rules is only like that. Gamete you have to circle first phenotypic ratio followed by genotypic ratio. Please don't make upside down. One red, two pink, one white, one homozygous dominant, two heterozygous dominant, one homozygous recessive. ऐसा है. Red and white and pink. First you look at the colors, then you look at the genes. You look at the genes. One homozygous, two capital R. Two members are capital R small r. One is this is white small r. Here again these two are pink only. Here means two members are pink. Pink into pink, again pink has come in the ratio 2. Red also has come back, white also has come back. In the F1 only pink, 100% were pink, but pink has been back in the F2 once again. Now this was said already in the last class. We have just explained this incomplete dominance. ऐसे हुआ, F1 में ऐसे आए, फिर F2 में we got the ratio. Excuse, this is F2 offsprings, identification we got. Now comes today's class, explanation to this inheritance. Now could you give the explanation to this inheritances for incomplete dominance? So NCERT has clearly mentioned explanation to the incomplete dominance. Yes, given. So what should I do with your that paragraph of NCERT? What should we do? What should I do means what should we do? I hope you realize the board. It's already known to us. It's the 5-mark question. They ask you example for incomplete dominance flower, 1 mark plus 4 mark. Write the inheritance pattern or schematic diagram for this. What? Red into white incomplete dominance. They'll ask you schematically write this. We'll write this. No issues. Explanation. Explanation to incomplete dominance. Okay, good. Coming. Already begin. He already has begun with certain thing. Sir, F1 में अभी pink क्यों आया? That way, come. F1 was supposed to be expected as red, but why did you get pink? When red into white was crossed, F1, why did you get pink? Okay, come. Come with this, sir. Normal allele. First I'll talk about this. It's a normal allele. It is wild in nature. Nature में पहला आया. In the evolution, this was the gene, so it is dominant. It's a dominant. It's a dominant. Normally, wild by nature, wild in the nature means original form. Original form. Wild in the sense, original form. The original form. This is dominant. Okay. What does this dominant gene do? If you are one more with like same, समझो दूसरा आप और आपके same type, बाजू में कोई आ गए तो भी, if this is capital R, this is also capital R. Right? If you make friendship or if you have a partner with you, or if you are single also, or if you are partner, what you are going to do? You are going to make a very perfectly what? Enzyme. You make a enzyme, functional enzyme. You make a functional enzyme. Very normal functional enzyme. This functional enzyme will act upon the substrate, and this functional enzyme is going to make a very perfect product. Again, which color? Red color, the protein. The protein with the pigment red color. The protein with the pigment red color. Good, congrats. You are making a very perfect job. Now, I talk in the case. You are R, and if your partner is smaller. Okay, so the first question, sir, why is smaller कैसे आएगा? You said original type is R. Okay, original form by dominant. ये R ठीक था. दूसरा R कहाँ से आया? No, this R is because of what? Because of mutations. DNA में चेंज हुआ. पहले एवोल्यूशन में नेचर में सभी रेड थे. Everybody was red. Ultraviolet radiations, chemicals, environmental factors. DNA में चेंज हुआ. The change in the DNA is called mutation. DNA means gene. DNA has genes. Gene is on the DNA. Original form now got modified. Original form now got modified. Look, R is because of mutations. R is because of mutations. We are explanation of incomplete dominance. We are in the topic called explanation of incomplete dominance. R is because of mutations. Mutations are sudden, inheritable changes in the gene or DNA. कहाँ पे हो सकता है? DNA में हो सकता है, gene में हो सकता है. DNA is on the gene only. So, like R is because of mutations. And mutation is nothing but sudden inheritable change in the gene. अब mutation होने से the gene will be now called as modified one or original one? Modified one. Now it is a modified allele. Now it is a modified allele. Recessive gene, correct. Now it's a modified allele called recessive gene. Now it's a recessive gene. So this original form wild dominant जो लिखे थे, can I call this as unmodified allele? Yes. This is called unmodified. This is called as unmodified allele. This is called unmodified allele. Relax. Don't feel that I am going fast. I just said जो भी है by nature is a original form, unmodified form. That DNA has undergone mutation and continued in the generation. That mutation, sudden change in the gene has occurred. Now it is a modified gene, modified allele. Our language, recessive gene. So इसलिए पहले जो भी आया उसको डोमिनेंस करके टाइटल देते हैं. जो चेंज हो गया आया, it is called a recessive one. But दोनों जब साथ आते तो dominant gene will suppress the recessive gene. That is by nature. But in this case, it's not happening like that. Now let us first see. What does a modified gene produce? वो भी करेंगे. You see. Now modified gene produces. Modified gene produces. I'm talking about this one. A modified gene makes what? So this is functional. This is a functional. Explanation is why is pink? Why is pink expression is going on? So dominant gene makes what? Dominant gene makes a functional enzyme. It binds to the substrate. It gives a product. Now the gene has undergone mutations, sudden changes. Now it has become a recessive gene. Okay, fine. Now this recessive gene, what will you produce? आपको कुछ produce करने का या नहीं to make certain product? Do you have rights? Means it says I too do have rights. But if this gene is not able to suppress me completely, I will also produce the product. आप अगर मेरे को suppress करते तो I would have not made anything. But if you are unable to suppress me completely, I will also make something. Therefore, the word incomplete dominance. This is incomplete dominance only. Dominant gene is failed to suppress the recessive gene completely. अभी तो लिखे थे definition. Dominant gene is going to partially express. It is also called as partially express. Means remaining partially express who? Recessive gene is also partially expressing. You are also partially expressing, you are also partially expressing. Not completely dominant, you are incomplete dominant. You are incomplete dominant. You are allowing the recessive gene also to express. Genes are like this in the nature. That is what studying the chapter called genetics. That is what we are studying, genetics. Come. Now what does this make? Number one. Recessive gene, modified gene shall produce an enzyme which is normal or less efficient. Here NCERT mentions this clearly. An enzyme, a normal enzyme or less efficient enzyme. Possible here, the recessive gene will make this an enzyme for the conversion of substrate into product or less efficient enzyme or a normal enzyme. Second, non-functional enzyme. Enzyme to produce करेगा but it could be non-functional. It could be non-functional enzyme. Or number 3, no enzyme at all. This is also possible. No enzyme at all. Non-functional enzyme, no enzyme at all. Either of the 3 things, either of these, any of these 3 things, any of the 3 things, this modified allele is making. Correct? Correct? Small r is able to make either this or either this or either this. Ekandre mutation agidiyalla. It could either make either this or either this or either this. Okay. Now, in the first case, an enzyme, normal or less efficient enzyme, can I call in case 1, in this possibility, this product and this product, both are same or different? See, in the case 1, when you will be able to make an enzyme, normal or less efficient enzyme, then can I call a modified allele will be equal to unmodified allele. Is it true? Condition. Correct? Arey yaar, enzyme which is normal, R has made an enzyme which is normal. If the recessive gene also makes enzyme normal, dominant gene also makes enzyme normal, dominant gene, recessive gene, दोनों का function same ही करके, that's what I am telling. In case 1, the modified alleles product, unmodified alleles product, if you look, can I call the function of both the genes will be same or different? Same. This is the beautification of your NCERT lines. This is the one which is in your explanation in complete documents. हमने कहा आप यह भी प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं या फिर यह भी प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं या फिर यही भी प्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं. अगर आप फर्स्ट वाला प्रोड्यूस करें तो आपके जो प्रोडक्ट ये है और मॉडिफाइड अनमॉडिफाइड वाला का प्रोडक्ट ये है, both function is same or different? Same only. So in the case 1, unmodified allele will be equivalent to modified allele. But in case 2nd and 3rd, modified allele equal to not equal to? Not equal to unmodified allele. So हमारे इस present case में Mirabilis Jalapa Snapdragon में case 1 हुआ है या case 2 हुआ है? Case 2 has happened. Case 2 has happened. Okay, case 2 has happened. Therefore, you have made a non-functional enzyme that has made a functional enzyme. Both these enzymes have made a combination of product, and therefore, the color of the substrate has become a pink. Okay, so it is not equivalent. If it was equivalent, it would have been once again red or purely white, right? Sorry. It should have been purely white. No. No, smaller is for white, no? Smaller and smaller is naturally by white. Smaller, recessive both come, it is white. Smaller, अभी तो बोर्ड पे लिखे थे smaller by nature, by recessive genes, but both will make white. Now, when single R has come in presence of capital R, then one is not going to take place, second or third. So you also has made some non-functional enzyme, you also made some functional enzyme. They started to bind and make some other products. So the new color has come, which is pink now. बस ज़्यादा खुजली नको, थोड़ा तो होना, ज़्यादा खुजली मत करो. This is enough, right? Once again, because you are inside the mobile, right? You are inside the camera. For you, it is going on too much. I don't know why you are feeling it so difficulty with the genetics. Relax. Once again, normally unmodified enzyme by dominant. You make a functional enzyme. Functional enzyme will make a substrate into product. Normally, dominant gene will make a perfect product. No change. Either condition, same condition. But when this gene, when the gene has become what? When the gene has become mutated. When the gene has undergone mutations. Mutations are sudden change in the DNA or gene. So now because of mutation, the gene is able to remain as unmodified or has been now modified? Has been now modified. This modified wala is now declared as a recessive gene. जब दोनों recessive gene आते हैं तो they will make white. दोनों recessive रहते हैं तो they normally make white. One dominant and one recessive आए तो ही problem हो रहा है. When one dominant and one recessiveness comes, then only the problem is arising. Now this modified allele will either make a less efficient enzyme is also given in your book. An enzyme which is normal also is possible, or less efficient enzyme, no enzyme at all, or before that enzyme with non-functional enzyme category. Enzyme with not function. Over. So in this first case he is telling this is case 1, these two is case 2. In the first case, this product and the normal genes product both are same only. The function of the first and the function of that normal gene both are same. But in case 2, modified alleles product, unmodified alleles product, both will be different. See here non-functional enzyme, no enzyme. Is this concept equal to functional enzyme? No. Modified alleles function and unmodified alleles function will become different. But in case 1, it will be same. Bus. It will be same. So that is the conclusion and that is the explanation of your incomplete download. So I shall write the last sentences. This is case 1. This is case 2. In case 1, the modified allele is equal to unmodified allele. Unmodified means bracket dominant or recessive one? Unmodified. Dominant. In case 1, the modified allele is equal to unmodified allele. In case 2, the modified allele is not equal to unmodified allele. Bracket I again dominant. In the second case, the modified allele is not equal to the unmodified allele. So here, the pink is appearance of pink in F1 is because of case 1 or case 2? Case 2. बस खरा हो गया. जय हिंद जय भारत माता. इनफ. इतने दिमाग के ठिकाने लगे तो इस ग्रेट थिंग. Incomplete harmonious explanation. So it is case 2. If case 1 होता तो it would be no such difference. Dominant gene only would have made the product. It would be red only, red into white, red only. But no, it is red into pink here. So red into white is pink here. Red into white is pink here because of case 2. Something enzyme which is non-functional or no enzyme at all. वहाँ पे कुछ एंजाइम्स के बीच में इंटरेक्शन हुआ है and it leads to blending of characters, so it becomes a pink. बस. अभी next concept. Next, non-Mendelian concept only. Non-Mendelian concept only it is. Incomplete dominance हो गया, अभी codominance. Homologous chromosome. Two dominant genes. Two dominant genes. साथ में आ रहे हैं. Two dominant genes. This gene is different, this gene is different. Then what? Previously capital T or capital R? Capital R. No. Now A and B are change. Two different genes. क्या करना? A will also make a character for A, enzyme for A. B will also perfectly make a enzyme for B. Both will forget dominance recessive relationship. In this case, neither you are dominant nor you are recessive. Neither you are dominant nor you are recessive. You are also dominant, you are also dominant. Both are equally dominant. Means on that character, A is also there, B character is also there. Correct? Array on the whatever character you are going to produce, yes, inheritance is also there, B's inheritance is also there. अगर ऐसा हुआ तो क्या बोलना उसको? Codominance बोलना. Previously was incomplete. Neither red nor white. Pink आ गया. Here ये भी है ऐसे ही, B भी वैसे ही है. दोनों साथ में बाजू बाजू. We will not allow this to disappear. We will not allow this to disappear. You are also 100% efficient. You are also 100% efficient. दोनों साथ में equally fight. Tug of war. No tug of war. हम दोनों साथ साथ दोस्ती. Neither dominance nor recessive relationship occurs in between this. So now why is this getting possible? How is this getting possible? We have to first explain for this, right? So this will be explained by taking a multiple alleles. First. What are alleles? Alternative forms. Alternative forms of a gene. Means tall, dwarf, violet, white, axial, terminal, round, wrinkled. Correct? Akasmat for some characters in some individuals. For some characters in some individuals. ये तो P plant में double two alternative forms are there. Two alternative forms are there. Two alternative forms are there. But एक mice के coat color देखो. Black is also there. Brown is also there. White is also there. क्या करना है? Every time genes need not be have a two alternative form. It can be more than two. Yeah, every time gene need not be in two alternative forms. Genes can be more than two. Means आप बोलो यहाँ पे म्यूटेशन एक बार हुआ है या सेम जीन दो बार हुआ है? Now we got the meaning of multiple alleles. Original gene, say this is something called black fur for the black fur. ये माइस के ब्लैक फर के लिए जीन है, ब्लैक करके समझो. एक बार म्यूटेशन हुआ है यही जीन और बन गया क्या? ब्राउन. दूसरी बार यही बन गया और मेक समथिंग कॉल्ड व्हाइट. अब नेचर में alleles दो ही है या दो से ज्यादा है? दो से ज्यादा है. तो व्हाट शुड आई कॉल फॉर दिस एज? मल्टीपल allelism. या you tell the genetics is difficult, but why you tell him this? Correct? Genetics is difficult. Difficult? What's the right? Alleles are already forms of gene means multiple alleles are. अब यहाँ पे देखो multiple alleles are nothing but multiple alleles are alleles which have more than two forms of them. Alleles which exhibit in more than two alternative forms. Two alternative forms. मैं सिर्फ बोर्ड में 3 लिखा हुआ है, I can write 4, 5, 6 also. So many forms, but it is always more than 2. बस ये तो बात. Alleles which exhibit in more than 2 alternative forms is called multiple alleles, and kindly note this will be exhibited in the population. एक इंडिविजुअल में तो 2 ही है जीन्स, पॉपुलेशन में है. देखो this mice is having only 2 alleles, this and this, or this and this, or this and this. Correct, na? Every individual have only 2 alleles. Every individual has 2 alleles, but population may have many alleles. See, mice, original black, mutated to make brown, mutated to make white, mutated to make something. But individual will have 4 alleles, 3 alleles, or only 2. Every individual will have only 2 alleles. For a character, always there are 2 alleles. Every individual will have only 2 alleles. But population has many alleles. मत क्वेश्चन हो, सर वो allele वही लोकस पे रहेगा, वही क्रोमोसोम पे रहेगा, या दूसरे क्रोमोसोम पे दूसरे लोकस पे? वो allele जो भी है, B and W are written, same, the allele will be on same chromosome on same locus. A different chromosome, different locus are. Same chromosome and on the same locus. Alleles exist on, multiple alleles exist on same locus and on same chromosome. ये common sense है. You can ask your sense to check whether you know multiple alleles are on different or on same. It will be on a same. And last, very conditional note. Each organism shall possess only 2 alleles. Yes, allele 3, 4, 15. I don't bother. But everybody will be having only 2 of the alleles. Correct? Everybody will be having only 2 of the alleles. I guess this is the very best thing for you to convince. What is the meaning of multiple allelism? And shortly we will be talking about codominance. Codominance अभी कुछ भी खत्म नहीं हुआ. Multiple is just begin. I just spoke about the meaning. So what do you mean by codominance? 2 dominant gene आ गए तो, 2 different alleles के dominant gene आ गए तो, both will equally express the character and show equal dominance. But multiple alleles is a condition where alleles exhibiting more than 2 alternative forms. But this is always in the population. Every fellow individual will be having only 2 of those number of alleles. Only 2 alleles. And that allele, जो भी chromosome है, for example chromosome number 12, loci number 3 will be also same. All these alleles will be on the same chromosome and on the same loci. What is loci? Location, the point where gene is situated. I need to ask the long definitions of your genetics. Day after tomorrow, test it since Jaji. Correct? We'll be back again in the next class. I'll stop here right now. Thank you.